In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change a ringtone on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And the first stuff, head over to settings and then top add sounds and haptics. That's where you can easily find a ringtone option. You can just tap on it. And then in order to change a ringtone, all you have to do is just select one from that big list by default. It is set to a reflection, but you can easily change it just by selecting any ringtone from that list. Just like that, you can immediately play it to listen how it sounds. And basically, if the ringtone is checkmark, it means that it is already set as a ringtone on your device. So in the same way, you can go through all of that list and then try to play some other ringtone. And once you like one and you want to set it as your device as a ringtone, you can just hop out settings. Also in here you can find Don't Store. If you want to buy custom ringtone for your iPhone, you can hit at Don't Store, then Don't, and that's where you can find a ton of different ringtones. For your device you can just, for example, get in the ringtones and then you can hit See All next to pop. And that shows you a lot of different ringtones. You can just tap on some, and then you can play it just like that. And then if you want to use a dead ring dot on your device, you can purchase it. You can hit right here, and then just select one of these options, like set as default ringtone, and that will allow you to pay for it by double-click at side bottom. And after that, you will be able to set this ringtone as a default, or you will be able to assign it to some contact. That's how it's done now. You can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.